This is your boy MNTBN. Previously on Akong Life.
Central Visayas Vlog Squad in Ayala, which is really crazy. Yeah, I just took pictures there at the dam. I think I'm very happy now. So ito na kayo mga kids size. Gimlin!
Hi, Gimlin!
Cool! Z-Boy MNTBN. Yeah.
Hi, subscribers of Z-Boy.
I met boy.
Hey.
Abot na sila. Saan?
Saan? This is how vloggers do photoshops. This is Kuya Rockwell.
Hello.
This is Ken Rockwell. This
What's up,
is
Z-Boy?
amazing guy in the universe. Title. Imo na ka title kuya.
No, I have my own title.
Unsa man yung title?
Most
Handsome.
putot boy.
Hey, bye-bye kuya. Bye-bye kuya. Malik tag Australia.
Kayo kami pala sa
What is confusing? Kita ba yung bayad? This is Kuya. Like napulbaan ako guys. This is Dali. Are you a beauty vlogger?
No, I'm a sort of a beauty blogger, but not yet really.
Not really a beauty vlogger.
Because I'm more focused on travels and lifestyle and fashion.
I love this girl. Damn girl.
Nawaw, naguba na niya. Kapila mo ganda akong gorilla pagkakatak 130 ra.
Dili, don't buy this one. Don't buy this one. Spirit kayo mga vloggers tanawon nga nasa sa escalator. I am the last one. Kaya na mas appropriate kay Kuya Rockwell nga kanang kwan kay Kuya Kent nga pangan. The most lucky person in the YouTube universe.
Because of the ads. Nag-use mo ko Google AdSense.
Nya, ni go ra siya. Nya, pay are you
Yeah, paid. Yes. Actually, na-jud ko.
mind blown? Are we good kung kita mo bayad? Mailan ni mo i-vlogger sa mga tao tungkol sa the cameras. Kuan bang awkward? That was awkward. That was real awkward. Happy Mother's Day po. Julie. Asa yung mukha? Ay, Middle. Oh my God. Daan ko sa daan.
Classmate.
Classmate mo? That was so cool. Nindot kayo na kay classmate. What? Familiar? Jaso! Jaso! I'm not autistic, Raymond. What the? Tanawa yun. So, giingnan mi diri nga sa badong ko na.
Hi guys.
Hey, bird, how?
Hi guys, the vloggers are here. We're walking down this Toan because we're making some noise here in Ayala.
English sa ganyan mga bro.
Dili, uy.
Hello, English ako
Parang
English.
papili.
Na-play na. Hello guys, this is so much very incredible and very fantastic today. So guys, we're here at YouTube lunch.
Why are you talking to your cameras? Why? Why are you talking to
It's
The Z-Boy, the LAD, thumbnails always.
we're here with Erwan Yusuf. Kaya Erwan Yusuf.
What's up guys? So nakikalokalan si Erwan Yusuf guys. Hey, bye-bye.
Wow. Montage. Hala, kuya, taas. Oy, taas pa sa kung... Oh my God, monetize. Sorry. guys, okay, sobrang fun talaga ng makamit na mga kagayang YouTuber. Confetti sa YouTube, confetti.
Pag-point mo sa...
Confetti sa YouTube, confetti. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Kuya, bye-bye, kuya. Kuya CJ. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Nel para sa iyang mamo. Sweet mo. Sweet So karon ginami diri sa City Mall na kunoy paliton silang bitoy katong kaganina namong gikuan. Hey guys, this is boy. I just came home. I just came home from Ayala. I just came home from everything. I just came home from Ayala with the Cebu, the Central Visayas Vlog Squad. With them, I just really had fun. I wanted to thank all of them. And I think I need to sleep before I edit this video. And I think it's really fun. That's it. Good morning, it's voting day. Doon na sa among mga presento. Nandito na kami sa eskwelahan. And we're voting. Dagan na pang taon. Hi guys! Aww! First time. Nagsisave ako. Kuya, pila may... Nagsuot na nun siya. At Imelda Aroma Mountain Paradise. Hey, we're here at the Imelda Poppin